So in the last video I teach you guys how to download Windows 10 and Windows 11 into a USB stick, but in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to boot directly from an hard drive or an SSD without any USB help. So let's jump right in. So for this process you guys need one thing, which is an SATA to USB adapter. If you guys using a normal SSD, you guys can use the power of the USB, but if you guys using a 3.5-inch hard drive like this one, you guys need an external power adapter like 12-volt power adapter. So let's jump right into the tutorial. Actually, quickly before this tutorial guys, I want to tell you one analytics actually from my YouTube studio. 78% of you guys are not subscribed in the channel. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel guys, just please subscribe to it, and let's jump right in.
So now you need to open up your favorite browser and just type Windows 11 ISO, and Windows 11 is officially supported for Microsoft, so there's no need any hassle to download it in any third-party websites. Since I downloaded the create installation media, I'm gonna go to download, and I'm gonna just click on the create installation media. You guys can see Windows 11 set up. Before you guys need to do this thing, please make sure that your PC is compatible with Windows 11. If it's not Windows compatible, I do have a video, will be linked in the description down below, that you guys can download Windows 11 on non-compatible PC. So do check it out. Now for Windows 11 there's only one architecture, which is 64-bit architecture. So if you want to use a USB flash drive, it needs to be at least 8 GB. If you want to download an ISO, you guys can just download an ISO, and I already have it here. So since I already have it, I'm just gonna click exit from here. We'll say sure, yeah, yes. Now the setup process is complete. Now we need to download Windows 10. Windows 10 ISO is also supported at the Microsoft Store, so you guys, it means there's no hassle for it. So you need to download the tool here. This may take some time because it's 18 megabytes. Since I downloaded it, I'm just gonna go to download and click on media creation. You guys can see the setup process here. Now you guys need to click on create installation media. Now there are architectures for 32-bit and 64-bit. You guys can do both. Click language, and there's only one addition, which is Windows 10. Now you guys can use a USB flash drive, you guys can see from here, or you guys can download an ISO file. So I'm going to click on next, and I already have a Windows 10 ISO file. So I already have a Windows ISO file. I'm just gonna click exit. Okay, now what you guys need to do is copy these 3 files to your boot drive. Now copy boot sources and boot manager to your desirable SSD on hard drive, and this may take some time actually. So okay, since I copied everything, now you guys need to open up command prompt and click run as administrator, and you guys need to click on commands that I'm clicking on here. First, you guys need to type diskpart. Click enter, and it may take some time, and you have diskpart. You now click list disk. Since you guys can see I have 4 disks here, and I'm gonna click type select disk 4 right now. Select disk 4. If you've done anything wrong, they will show up these many things. So just type rightly. So I'm gonna type again, select disk 4. Now you guys can see the disk 4 is now selected, and I'm gonna type list partitions. Click on list partitions. Now you guys can see. Now I'm gonna select partition 1. Now I'm gonna type active. Now I'm gonna exit. Now you're gonna type your drive letter. Since I'm using new volume Y, so I'm gonna type Y and double dot, I guess. Now you need to type this command, bootsect.exe. Don't worry guys, this command will be in the description down below if you want to keep as a reference. And you guys finally need to type your drive letter. Now bootcast was successful and updated all targeted volumes. Now you guys have a bootable Windows 10 hard drive or an SSD. Just click what language install you want or time and currency formatted. I'm just gonna randomly click Australia. Now I'm gonna click on install now. This setup process will take some time. If you have a product key, you can have a product key, or you don't have it, just click don't have it. Now you guys need to click on what operating system you want. All operating system are same, it's just the features. So I'm gonna click on Windows 10 Pro. Now I'm gonna click on accept license term, and I'm gonna put on custom install Windows only. Now you guys need to select a disk where you want to boot your Windows 10 operating system. So I'm click on drive 0 unallocated space, so I'm just gonna click next, and it will copy and getting ready installation left and right. Your PC may boot up, so just don't be panic or shut down your PC, because this setup will usually happen like this. Now you guys can see the Windows 10 setup. Now click your region, click your language layout, and if you want to plug it into a Wi-Fi connection or the internet connection, if you don't have, you guys can click don't have internet. Now you guys can set up for personal use, and you guys can put in your Microsoft account. If you don't have it, click on offline account, then click on limited experience, then name your PC and put a password, then click on yes, decline it, whatever you want. If you guys want to on it, just on it. If you don't want it, don't on the features. It takes some time, then you guys have a fully fledged Windows 10. So this is setup process. So I'm gonna click on Windows 11 home, click accept, and click on custom installation Windows only. So you guys can keep any of your files here, but I'm gonna try put on clean installation. Drive 0 unallocated space. I'm gonna click next. So copying files left and right. It's the usual as Windows 10. Now I'm gonna go through the setup process. So I'm gonna select my country region. I'm gonna set the keyboard layout.
So if you guys like this video guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what if you thought of it guys. If you're new to the channel guys, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Talk to you guys later, and I hope you guys enjoy.